to HBMT1103 Introduction to Mathematics Education online course. I am super excited to meet you this semester on this online platform. In this course, you will learn the development of mathematics curriculum in Malaysia and how to conduct teaching and learning activities using appropriate methods and approaches. Moreover, you will be also exposed to various resources such as interactive multimedia, the internet, calculator, graphic calculator, and geometry sketch pad to enhance the teaching and learning mathematics in the classroom. We have Google Meet, meetings, e-lesson, e-forum session, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. Please take your time reading this material. Finally, be sure to bring all your questions with you when we meet online. Have a good day and we'll see you soon. Happy learning!